how to place an entry with Dabble's 1000 times multiplier and maximizing potential winnings with high multipliers. First of all, this video is actually just for informational purposes only. Now what happens is Dabble actually offers a 1000 times multiplier for their all-in contest, but it's not easy money. You'll need the Dabble app and a good understanding of the sport you choose. The key is making 12 correct, more or less predictions on player stats within a single entry, and this means picking 12 different players and correctly guessing whether they'll perform above or below their projected stat lines. To maximize your potential winnings, select the all-in contest types over here on the contest type section. This is crucial as the 1000 times multiplier only applies to these contests. Once you've chosen your sport and event, carefully research the player performance, recent form, and any relevant news. Diversify your picks across different players and even different games if possible, and don't put all your eggs in one basket. Remember, all of 12 of your predictions must be accurate to win the 1000 times payout. This makes it a high risk, high reward proposition. Start with smaller stakes to get a feel for the platform and the difficulty of hitting all 12 picks. Manage your bankroll responsibly and understand that while the potential reward is huge, the odds of hitting it are relatively low. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.